Well, hey, everybody. Welcome back to Market Statistics for the week ending January 19th, 2026. I'm Alice Lima. I'm a principal broker at Home and Land Real Estate. And here's the update this week for all three counties. Jackson County prices year over year are up 10% this week. The average residential home selling for $545,876. The number of sold year over year in Jackson County were neutral. There were 29 closings this week. The number of listings year over year are down 3%. We have 670 active listings in Jackson County residential. We had zero foreclosures closed this week, zero short sales closed this week, but we did have $2 million closings, both in Ashland, one for $1.4 million and $1.8 million. Josephine County prices year over year are down 17% this week. The average residential home in Josephine County now costing $358,991. The number sold year over year were down 8%. We had 11 closings in Josephine County residential this week. The number of listings year over year were down 5%. We have 318 active listings in Josephine County residential market. We had one short sale close, $302,000. We also had $1 million closing in Grants Pass for $1.9 million. So good for them. Klamath County prices year over year were down 10% this week. The average residential home costing $342,250 in Klamath County this week. The number sold year over year were neutral in Klamath. We only had 8 closings. That's about average week over week. Number of listings year over year in Klamath County were up 3% this week. There are now 318 active listings in Klamath County residential markets. We had zero foreclosures, zero short sales, and $0 million closings in Klamath County residential. So this week, the trends are more stability. We do have slight upticks and downticks in the prices. But I want to point out the thing to watch are the listings, because we've had a lot of listings come on the market in the last 2 years, bringing our averages, our total averages for listings county to county to more of a normal pre-pandemic place. But you can see that the stability of the listings week over week could be seasonal, because we still are in like the tail end of our winter market going into our spring. And our predictions for this spring are that listings will increase, but not by very much. So we're looking at a maximum of 10% increase for our spring and summer season for number of listings. So that's not very much. And it could be also as low as 3 to 5%. So we can look at the numbers. There are a lot more $1 million sales. It's not mentioned here in the market statistics, but for the real estate investors, that market is getting hot. And the reason that's noteworthy for us is it shows investor confidence in Southern Oregon rental market. So we don't always have that, but people are buying more investment property. They're buying big apartment buildings. They're buying duplexes, and that is showing more of a normal, stable market. So I would love to talk to you about your real estate plans for 2026. Give me a call, give me a text, 541-301-7980. It's 541-301-7980. I'm a great listing agent, great buyer's agent, great with investments. I am an investor myself. So give me a call, give me a text. And in the meantime, hug those you love. We'll see you next time. Bye now.